Hello, and welcome back to the English Advanced Podcast.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button and like this video.
Yes, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us. Thank you very much. I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma. Today, we are going to have a nice, slow conversation.
Yes, this conversation is perfect for English learners. Today, we will talk about the new year. We will talk about the past year and our plans for the next year.
That sounds great. Let's begin.
So, Emma, how are you today?
I feel relaxed. I am a little sleepy, but I feel good.
That's good to hear. Did you do anything nice this weekend?
Yes, I did. I stayed at home.
What did you do at home?
I watched movies and slept a lot. I slept for 10 hours on Saturday.
10 hours? Wow, you were very sleepy.
Yes, I was very tired, but now I feel full of energy.
That's great. I'm ready for our conversation.
Me too. Let's continue. So, Jack, let's talk about the new year.
Okay, how was your New Year's Eve? What did you do?
I went to a friend's house.
Oh, nice. Did you have a party?
Yes, but it was a small party. About 10 people were there.
What was the party like?
It was very cozy and warm. My friend's house has a big fireplace.
That sounds lovely.
We talked for a long time and played simple games.
What kind of games?
We played card games.
Did you win?
I won one game, but I lost 2 games. That's okay. It's just for fun.
Yes, exactly. We also ate many snacks.
What kind of snacks?
We ate chips, dips, and small sandwiches.
Yum, that sounds delicious. What about the countdown at midnight?
Yes, we did the countdown.
How was it?
At midnight, we stood up and watched the clock on TV. Did you count together?
Yes, we shouted 10, 9, 8, and then Happy New Year. That's a nice tradition.
Did you drink champagne?
No, I didn't drink champagne. I was driving later. What did you drink?
I drank sparkling juice. It was sweet and bubbly.
That sounds good. How about you, Jack? What did you do on New Year's Eve?
My New Year's Eve was very quiet.
Were you alone?
No, I was not alone. I was with you.
Oh, yes, you're right. We were together. We stayed at home.
What did we do at home?
We cooked dinner together. Oh, yes, I remember now. We made pasta.
Yes, we made my tomato pasta with fresh basil. And we made garlic bread, too. We ate on the sofa and watched TV.
We watched the fireworks from the city on TV. The fireworks were beautiful. They had many colors.
Yes, but our cat Pepper was scared. Poor Pepper. She hid under the bed.
So our New Year's Eve was very calm and quiet.
Yes, no party, just good food and TV, and it was perfect.
It was perfect for me too. Yes, it really was.
So, resolutions are goals for yourself, but what about other plans?
You mean things you want to do, but not resolutions?
Exactly. In next year, I really want to travel more.
That sounds exciting. Like where?
Maybe I want to visit a new city in my country. I stay in my city too much.
Do you have a place in mind?
Yes, I'm thinking about the mountains. The mountains sound beautiful. I want to go in the summer.
That sounds wonderful. I want to travel too, but my plan is different.
Oh, tell me.
I want to visit my old friend Anna. She lives in another country now.
That's a lovely plan.
I haven't seen her for 2 years. That's a long time. Yes, I'm saving money for the plane ticket.
That's exciting. I'm really looking forward to it.
Looking forward to it is a great phrase. It means I feel happy and excited about the future.
And I'm looking forward to my trip to the mountains.
And I'm also looking forward to your cooking, Jack.
No, you are the one who will cook. It's your resolution.
Oh, right, that's true.
Now, Jack, be honest. What are you not looking forward to next year?
Oh, that's easy. What is it? Winter.
Winter again, I agree. I don't look forward to cold, dark mornings.
It's hard to wake up, but you do look forward to something. Hot coffee on cold mornings.
That's true, and warm blankets. Every bad thing has a good thing too.
That's positive thinking.
All right, Julia. Now that we know 15 minutes a day really works, Let's talk about how to use that time wisely.
Yes, because it's not just about the time, it's about what you do in those 15 minutes. You can make a lot of progress if you plan it smartly.
Exactly. So here's a simple idea. Divide your 15 minutes into 3 parts. 5 minutes for listening, 5 minutes for speaking, and 5 minutes for reading or writing.
That's such a great plan, Jason. In the first 5 minutes, you can listen to something short, like an English podcast, a short YouTube video, or even a song in English. Try to really focus on how the words sound.
Then use the next 5 minutes to speak. You can repeat what you heard, shadow the speaker, or record yourself. Even if you just talk about your day in English, that's great practice.
Yes, and for the last 5 minutes, do some reading or writing. You can read a short story, a news headline, or write a few sentences about what you learned that day.
When you do these 3 simple things every day, you train your listening, speaking, reading, and writing all in just 15 minutes.
And the best part is it doesn't feel stressful. It feels easy and fun, and that helps you stay consistent.
Exactly. Short, smart, and powerful. Next, we'll share some real-life examples of people who improved their English with just 15 minutes a day. You'll see how small daily actions can bring big results. Stay with us.
Jason, I think real-life stories are the best way to show that 15 minutes a day really works.
Absolutely, Julia. I actually have a great example. One of my students, Sarah, used to say, "I don't have time to learn English." She's a nurse and her job is very busy, but she started spending just 15 minutes a day. 5 minutes listening to short podcasts, 5 minutes speaking aloud, and 5 minutes reading short articles.
That's great. What happened after that?
After just 3 months, she told me she could understand English movies better and felt more confident speaking with foreign patients. She was so proud of herself, all from just 15 minutes daily.
That's so inspiring. I know another example too. My friend Ahmed used to listen to short English news every morning while drinking his tea. He didn't study grammar or take long lessons, just listened and repeated a few sentences every day.
And did he improve?
Oh, yes. After a few months, his pronunciation became clearer, and he started using English naturally in conversations. It shows that small daily habits really make a big difference.
Exactly. So, dear listeners, don't wait for the perfect time. Just start with 15 minutes today. You'll be surprised at how much progress you can make.
Yes, and coming up next, we'll talk about how to stay consistent every day so you don't lose motivation.
That's right. Staying consistent is the real secret to success.